Did you know that there's a place in your brain that remembers the first letter of words?
No.
Which is why you go, I know it starts with a...
Except mine. Because I'm calling her Betsy and
You're
it's
close,
Peggy.
though. You were close. This is an AeroPress. Heat your water. Because when you do espresso grind, you should make the coffee as soon as you can, because if you let it steep, it brings out more bitterness. If you have a coarser grind, then you want to let it steep.
What if you have like 6 people over?
Oh, that's a problem, because it takes a while.
What's your background?
I'm a lawyer, and I practiced as a prosecutor for 20 years. And then I had a chance to go teach at the law school, so I was a law professor for 20 years.
So she's a very smart lady.
Yeah.
This is my wonderful Warm Showers host. She's making me a cup of coffee, and look at the labor she's going through.
This is the best coffee.
And she's making waffles. Oh boy. This table was just raw sitting against here when I got here yesterday, and look what she put together. A tablecloth, she put the stuff, look at the little turntable with the jams. She made the strawberry, and she made the raspberry, and look at her sweet little butter holder. Yummy.
Bikepackers just arrived. They're carrying about 35 pounds in just the bag. I think this is such a smart setup because they don't have all those different little bags to squeeze stuff into.
Europe.
Where are you heading after here?
Washington, D.C.
You guys sat down one day and said, hey, let's go bicycle.
We were just kind of fed up with our lives, so
Okay.
we just quit our jobs. Didn't want to continue in this life that 16 hours working and doing nothing, so we just stopped our jobs. Our plan first was from Patagonia to Alaska, but the flight ticket was so expensive, then we changed it from Colombia to Alaska, but at Mexico we stopped because of the COVID. The land border was closed, so there was only possibility to take flight back home or to take flight to USA.
So you shipped your bikes.
With us. So we went to the Portland and started the Trans-America Bike Trail. Maybe from Kansas we would like to go north and join the Great American Rail Trail.
So you don't really have a solid schedule.
Just budget.
Yes.
Okay, just
So
budget.
if we run out of money,
When do you think you'll be done in the U.S.?
Maybe in 2 months.
all these warm showers here in the United States are amazing.
This is Warren, my wonderful host. We met Peggy already. You won awards for your
Yeah, at the county fair. Doesn't get better than that. These are the ones that I did.
And why are you growing so much garlic?
I use 150 in the winter.
What do you mainly use it in?
Everything. I cook. It's garlic. Ellensburg Blue. This is called music. You know, you take it apart and you take a clove of garlic and put it in the ground in October. It sits there through the winter. I put straw over it, gives some insulation. The theory is that when you have green leaves, that represents a wrap around the cloves. You want more wraps around it to ensure it lasting longer in storage.
So what if you kept them in the ground? How long would these last?
They'd come back in the spring, but you'd have this crowded mess.
Wow, there's all kinds of cool stuff in this garden.
Even this is edible.
The flower inside?
Yeah.
That's beautiful. I mean, you did a great job. Pole beans.
Yeah.
Even if there's nothing growing on it. I love sticks.
My tomatillas are starting.
His tomatillas are starting. This is
the
cow
valley.
shit that he paid $400 for.
Yeah, because what they do, they've got a digester, a methane digester. The cow shit goes into the digester. Nitrogen is kind of removed. If you put fresh cow manure on your vegetables, they turn yellow because there's just too much nitrogen. That was Mom's plot for a couple of years. I talked her into doing it. Well, what are we doing today? You know, everything was an expedition because, you know, she needed a walker. There would be the loading up of everything, find the hat and the gloves. She had a little fork in her purse. She would hold on to her walker and gouge out weeds. Her plot looked much better than mine did. These are my beekeeper friends in Egypt that I met.
He did this cool portrait collage of them, which I love. This is a beautiful dinner made by Warren and Peggy. Peggy's really into the beautiful display with the candles and all her little attention to detail. Warren was slaving away, chopping. What is the wonderful dish you've made?
Chicken peanut curry.
West African chicken peanut stew.
In their pressure cooker that they brought in 1999 from Rome.
Italia, yeah.
In their suitcase, and they loved it so much. And look at this gorgeous thing, it still works perfectly. Bon appetit.